students, welcome to the chemistry class. So in our today's class, we will start the chapter 1 that is related to organic chemistry, and the chapter name is some basic concepts of organic chemistry. So now we will discuss the introduction of organic chemistry. Carbon. Carbon is an essential element of all organic compounds. Carbon, which is tetravalent, has the ability to successively bond with other carbon atoms to form long chain or rings like that. The property of self-linkage of carbon atoms is known as catenation. Carbon also forms covalent bonds with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur and halogens. These carbon compounds are known as organic compounds. And the branch of chemistry that studies the formation and properties of organic compounds is known as organic chemistry. So, organic compounds form the basis of life. For example, deoxyribonucleic acid, or we can say DNA. DNA is made up of sugar like 2-oxyribose and nitrogenous bases. In blood muscles and skin, organic chemicals are also present in clothing as in nylon fabric, in fuels as a mixture C7 to C9 hydrocarbons, in polymers like polythene, in dyes such bromophenol, blue, and in medicines such as aspirin in 1780. In 1780, chemists discovered that organic compounds can be obtained directly or indirectly from plants and animals, while inorganic compounds are obtained from non-living resources such as minerals and drops. Compounds of hydrogen and carbon atoms are known as hydrocarbons. All other organic compounds are considered to be derived from hydrocarbon by replacing one or more hydrogen atoms with atoms of other elements. Thus, organic chemistry is defined as chemistry of hydrocarbons and their derivatives. The tetravalence of carbon can be explained from the valence shell electronic configuration. We know that the outermost shell of an carbon atom is known as the valence shell electron present in the valence shell. That is, valence electron take part in the chemical reaction, that is we all know. So, the electronic configuration of carbon, we all know that electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This means that the valence shell has only 4 electrons. All elements tend to complete octet in their valence shell to become stable. Since carbon has 4 electrons in its valence shell, to complete its octet, the valence electrons of it form 4 covalent bonds with atoms of other elements. So this characteristics of carbon atom, by virtue of which it forms 4 covalent bond, is called tetravalence of carbon. That is the main properties of carbon. We can say carbon is showing tetravalency. Thus, carbon forms a wide range of compounds. In this example, methane. Methane formula is CH4. Like that, methane, CH4, methane is formed by sharing four electrons of carbon with 4 hydrogen atoms. Understood? So I hope this topic, this introduction of organic chemistry is clearly understood. And our next topic, we will discuss about hybridization in our next class. See you in our next class. Thank you.